Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we're working on look number 2 using the BhCosmetics Naughty palette. Today this look is like warm and glittery eyes with a bold lip. I'm loving this palette. Okay, so to start off we have primed the lids with the Maybelline Master Prime and used AOA Studio loose powder to catch our fallout. A bit of tapping, and now moving on to the eyeshadow look. The first shade in the palette I'm picking up is Mulled, and it literally does remind me of apple cider. It's so beautiful. And I'm placing that in the crease, windshield wipering that back and forth, building up the shade a bit in the crease as well. And this is going to stand as our transition shade, and it's going to peak just a little bit above the actual crease shade we're going to place. And I did a kind of like a little cut crease this look. And the next shade is Yuletide, and it is a warm orangey yellow brownish shade. I know, right? But yeah, that's kind of just what it looks like. And I am putting that a little lower than Mulled on the eye. Like I said, Mulled just gonna like peek over top of that shadow, and it's gonna give a really nice blend and transition into the brow bone. Once again, we're just placing that shade back and forth, back and forth. And next up we have Hot Cocoa, and that is the dark brown in the palette. And I'm applying that to the outer corner. And I'm kind of like using a pouncing motion for this shade and pressing it in that outer corner. And right now I have my hand in the middle of the brush. And when I was doing the crease work, my hand was towards the end of the brush, so I could just like feather that shade in. And now you'll see me go in between the shades we've already applied to blend out all the shades together, or blend the shades in together. And I am using the holiday set of BhCosmetics brushes, and they are amazing. Next up I have Meringue, and that's going on the brow bone as the highlight. And I love this large shader brush that I got in that set. It's perfect. I always refer to the brow bone highlight sometimes as a magic eraser, and that brush is perfect for that. Now I always like to go back in with my crease shade, no additional shade on the brush or anything, but blend that in with the brow bone highlight. And if I sound a bit nasally, it's because I have been sick and I've been putting off this voiceover because of it, but here we are now. Anyways, I wanted to get this up before Christmas, so NYX Glitter Primer, or Glitter Adhesive, I can't remember what it actually was, but regardless of any of that, I'm putting that on the lid. And I'm going to be picking up Jingle Bells. Now, a thing to note that is going on the lid about this palette though is these are pressed glitters, but they're dry glitters, so they don't have any additional product in them, or they're not mixed with anything to help them stick to the lid, so you literally do need something to help them stick. You need a tacky base, lash glue, something to help the glitter stick and last all day so you won't be wearing it on your face. Very nice though, very fine. I really like the glitters. I've used 2 of them now and they're really nice regardless of having to have a secondary base for them. So that's all over the lid, and I crisped up the crease with a little detail brush there, blending out the edges of that look and kind of fixing any kind of stray shadow that got down too far. And this is Believe Beauty's Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar. I love this eyeliner. If you haven't picked it up, literally go to your Dollar General and try the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner in Caviar. It's so creamy and black, lasts all day. And the second shade that we use in the crease is going in on the lower lash line, and I'm going to like smoke that into the lashes. And you'll see me go through, wipe off my brushes. Whenever you see me looking down, usually I am wiping my brush off on the towel in my lap. And in the inner corner I use Snow Baby. And this is Believe Beauty Extend Mascara. and I'm applying a couple coats of that. This mascara is really nice, and you can find all these Believe Beauty products at the Dollar General and under $5 and under. Okay, this is a new Maybelline matte ink lipstick I got, and it's in Mocha Inventor, and it's the second to last darkest shade in the line. Very beautiful. They smell amazing. And I'm setting my face with some Believe Beauty setting spray. And here is our finished look. The look is done. I think this is great for fall or winter. Such a beautiful look. I love doing looks like this. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links and product list and what's on my nails. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. And I hope you all are having a beautiful holiday season so far.